Okay, here is now an update for BitShares, BTS, and this request was made by at regular guy. So I really enjoy very much receiving these requests. This is the reason why I am doing this Steemit blog. This is the reason why, because if I can help in any way whatsoever to help augment your own due diligence, then it's just very satisfying. So having said that, so again, here's the chart for BitShares, and let's do a quick analysis. Here is my tablet of numbers. Let's do some counts. So here, where should I put wave 1? If I put 1 here, 2, 3, 4 overlaps with 1, so that's a violation of the rule. The bottom of wave 4 cannot overlap with the top of wave 1. So for now, I'm going to put wave 1 here on this little blip of a peak. Wave 2 right here. So the rule between the relationship of wave 1 and 2 is that the bottom of 2 cannot equal or exceed the bottom or the starting point of wave 1. Check. No problem on that. 3. Wave 4. The bottom of Elliott wave 4 cannot overlap with the peak of wave 1. Far from it here. Check. For wave 3 cannot be the shortest amongst the 5 waves. Well, let's finish 5 first before we decide on that. Now this is a one huge big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are the subwaves of wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even the subwave 5. So 5 of 5 itself is extended. If wave 5 is extended, and I'm going to mark these as much as possible because I want to share with as many people of this unique nature feature. Unique feature where the 5th wave, especially on a daily chart, is the extended wave instead of the 3rd wave, which is the case for when you do Elliott wave counting in stocks, equities. But when you do Elliott wave counting in cryptos, wave 5 is extended. And in commodities, it's the same. You see more wave extension in commodities quite often than in equities. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happens after a 5 wave motive or an impulse? When you get a 5 waves that meet the rules, it's called an impulsive set of 5 waves or motive. So after 5 waves, you get a requisite 3 wave retracement correction. So I can call this A, B, C, and that would be correct. If you didn't have any of this here, A, B, C would be correct. In fact, in a prior analysis, I was drawing out a channel, I believe it was for BitShares, Well, in order for this to be the C, A, B, C, terminus point, prices need to break above and out and breach out of the top resistance line of this rectangular trending channeling zone. Instead, it followed Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was surging in early February, this instead wanted to continue down. So here's a key question. How do I count this? So is this A and a very complex B and C is yet to finish? Or is this A, B, C, C is still here, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And this could be a complex correction where I can say this is wave 1, this is wave 2, but that would violate the 1-2 relationship. It wouldn't work. 2 cannot be lower than 1. And this is a very weak looking impulse. Okay, so the fact that it broke down below the lower support line means that lower lows are expected. And then I would count it as A, B, so I would say A, B, C, 3 waveish, A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C, 3 waveish, they're very 3 ABC type. So here then what I would do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 waves. Okay. And this is A, B, C, 3 waves. So if it's 5, 3, then C is expected to have 5 as well. Then we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more down. And that down will be over here. How did I pick? I mean, I'm not randomly picking these spots. Here is a price zone of wave 4. Retracement usually goes to the zone of prior wave 4, which is here. So this is the bottom of wave 4. Then possibly the landing zone for C should be around here. And most likely this will coincide with a potential downdraft of what Bitcoin might provide, if that's the case. Okay, so here is this quick update for BitShares. If you have any questions, please post and let me know your thoughts.